Hi ma'am, congratulations.
Mama wants me to my Mama. Yeah, Mama. Haduh.
Hai, grup putra nama hai. And the results are as per expectation. So we're very happy that the people of Gambegri have voted for development, and we are very committed to that. And once again, would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Gambegri. We still have to wait. We still have the last round left. So let's wait for the final results and the announcement. But looking at the trends, it looks like we are quite comfortable, and we should do it.
And the trend, TMC has come second, so the destiny of the Congress has ended.
See, every election is different. One has to look at election from a different perspective, and things change. Voters are intelligent, even though they may be from rural areas, but they know what is good for them and how they should vote in every election. So this election, as I said, they have voted specifically for change in terms of the constituency and development. So future also we have to see how things go, and every election is to be looked at from a different point of view.
How are you celebrating, sir?
No, nothing. We're just happy. We thank God for His blessings. We thank the people of Gambegri, and we thank, most importantly, all our leaders who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were able to reach to this level in this election. So
Thank you, sir.
We were hopeful that we would win, and I think that's what happened right now. Still waiting for the final result to be declared. So I think we should do it.
How are you feeling with each round of results? You are nervous?
Of course, I think as every candidate is, gets nervous for the result, I was also. Although we knew that the response was very good, still nothing was for sure until every votes were counted. So we're just waiting for that.
Looking at the trend, Congress.
Yadon Hatura, Abang Yuan, Hangne, Kroi, Langbat Kiniki, Balu Chief Minister, Bakalok, Jong Chief Minister, Yuan Sandran, Mangi, Hangne, Accounting Center, Hapoka DC Office. They Hakane Port, Kwap and Petip, Madam Metap Chandi Sangma, Kalalong Kabade, candidate, Napo NPP, Kalalong Kaba job, but Kalayo Haduh Hanar Hajar, Ngrius Pa Nyopopra Kput, but Kamarjin Joka Kadi Sau Hajar San Spa. Te Galong Gay ka Jing Sokmen Yangi Party, Bangile Poi Hagni Katong, Ba Kajing Tracy Tom, Kala Seiso, Nakaliang Party Jongi, but Nisoban I Kublay, Ya Ki Nong Song Snong Jong Gambegri Berhot, Ya Ka Jikershan Kajunki, but Kumju, Ba Kidon Kajinget, Ha Kajingelam Jong Kodrat Sangma, Chief Minister Jongi, Ba Onwanra, Yaka Development, Ha Katan, Jong Katan Garo, but Kamtam E, Hapoka Gambegri. Ninget, Ba Haki Singi Banwan, Ninang Yu Kambun Shushu, Ya Roy Kapar, Ha State Jongi, but Kumju Haki Tain Nong Kandong Jongi, Kuleshabo. Mentang Yadon Hatura, abang Iwan hangne kroi lang bat kini ki baru Chief Minister berkalok Jong Chief Minister Iwan Sendran mengi hangne ka Accounting Center hapo ka DC office dia hangne por ngekwa ban pentip ba ka Madam Metap Chandi Sangma kalalong kabadai ka candidate na po ka NPP kalalong ka job bat kalayo Haduh hajar ngrius pa nyo popra Kput bat ka margin joka kati 1,000 san spa te galong ke ka jing sokmen yangi ka party bangile poi hagni ka thong ba ka jing trace tom kala seiso na kaliang ka party jongi bat ni so ban ai khublei ya ki nong song snong jong ka gambegri berkhoi ya ka jingkershan ka jongki bat kumju ba kidon ka jinget ha ka jingelam jong kodrat sangma Chief Minister jongi ba onwanra ya ka development ha ka than jong ka than garo bat khamtam e hapo ka gambegri nginget ba haki singi ki banwan nginang yo I khambun shu ya ka roi ka par ha ka state jongi bat kumju haki than nong ka nong jongi